Alright, we are doing my tackle box, my overall haul that I carry with me. So first off, you can see and then under this, you see those? Yeah, if this is this one I found on the ground somewhere. But this other white rooster tail is the one I've had since I was little. I broke off one of the hooks inside of myself. So yeah, I hooked so deep into me, it's still stuck in there. But you know, you always gotta have some bobbers, a jig head. Right now I'm just on a low budget tackle box, but hold on. I'm looking through the camera for all of this. But this is probably like my favorite rig right here. I ain't got it set up on nothing, none of that. This is my second favorite. I found this hook and bait down at the lake except for this spoon that's on it. It's a nice like it's like a watermelon, something like that. And then we got, sorry, I hooked myself. And then we got this one. And then we got a bunch of these tubes already rigged up. Got some grubs on there. Yeah, it's pretty much just tubes all up in there. Then we got bobbers. Then we have my newest lure, the Panther Martin. The black and yellow one. Then we got the fish measurer, bonker, scaler, whatever you want to call it. It's all messy because I kind of bonked some fish with it. Come on. This is the fish hook thing, so you can like get it out their mouth. And then lifting that up, I got power bait and line. This line is 25-pound test, so it's pretty good. I got red scent. I got red, which looks more like a pink. More red. And then I got this chartreuse green gulp bait that is garlic scented. It works really good. I've caught like since this year, 2024, a bunch of trout on it, like maybe 30 or so. And then in there, I have orange. And then I also got these fireball eggs I ain't never used before. These suckers last about forever. And then of course we got weights, size 5. We got more weights, split shot. We got some bobbers, the pliers. And then we got these eagle claw hooks. Different sizes and sorts. Pretty cool. But don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And yeah. And then now time for the final box. This one. This one I've had since I was 5. Can you believe that? This was my first ever tackle. I had a treble hook in there. I got some small hooks for trout. An egg weight, some drop shots, little tiny split shots, and then I got whatever those miscellaneous hooks are. So yeah, peace.